Here are two popular plier staplers that are commonly used for assembling cartons for warehouse supplies and small shipping boxes. The Rapid 31 can take staples up to a ½ inch in length. The Bostitch P6C only takes up to 3/8 inches in length. Load the staples in the Rapid 31 as shown here. For the Bostitch P6C, note the instructions on the label. See how the staples are loaded in the front while squeezing the stapler shut. To operate, press firmly on the sections of the carton or box being joined. It is as simple as that. The operation is the same for both staplers. The staplers are a low-cost solution for creating small numbers of cartons or boxes for storage or shipping purposes.